Hello farmers, welcome to Addota channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you A to Z ways on how to start a maize farm. A to Z ways on how to start a maize farm. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop our new videos. Kindly like our videos and share. My name is Julius Obasojo. Welcome to Addota channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you A to Z ways on how to start a maize farm. Maize farm is an agricultural business that individual can go into it due to food production or due to money making. As you all know, we obtain different things from maize. Nigeria is the number 11 largest producers of maize. So that's how maize is very important. Maize is very important in Nigeria, not only Nigeria, all over the world. I believe this is some step for you to take if you want to start a maize farm. One of them is to identify the best weather for your maize. Identify the best weather for your maize. Why two is to select the best land for planting maize. Three is to prepare the land for planting maize. Why four is to find the best varieties of maize to plant. One is to identify the weather for planting maize. As you all know, maize grow all year round with adequate irrigation or water supply, but it's best planted at April, in the beginning of rainy season. That is when maize is being planted. As you all know, maize is an annual crop, not perennial crops, so they grow within the age of 3 months. After 3 months, they have completed their life cycle, so by that time your maize is ready for harvesting. Why two is to select the best land for planting maize. Maize can survive in many soil types, but we only grow and yield well when planted on loamy soil. So you need to know concerning soil. We have 3 types of land. We have the loamy soil. We have 3 types of soil. We have the loamy soil, the clay soil, and the sandy soil. But maize will only grow and yield well when planted on loamy soil, not sandy soil and not clay soil. Avoid planting your maize on a slope land. Avoid planting your maize on a slope land. Avoid planting your maize on a rocky land. Whenever you plant your maize on a rocky land, your maize will not grow because that particular land has a lot of stone. So it's going to affect your maize for being germinating. So you need to avoid rocky land, avoid slope land and plant your maize. Why three is to prepare the land for planting maize. Prepare the land has to do with bringing tractors to your farm to come and cultivate your farm for you before you can start planting your maize. Bringing tractor to your farm to cultivate your land before start planting your maize. So that is number 2, prepare the land. After that, you can fumigate your land by bringing different chemicals to fumigate the land before start planting. You can bring chemicals like grassy, like phosphorus, a lot of them. You can browse a lot of them. So you bring them and fumigate your land there. You now start planting. Why 4 is to find the best varieties of maize. There are different varieties of maize if you want to know. There are different varieties of maize, but 2 are best and are good for you. That 2, they are Z maize. The Z maize, they are white in color and they're also yellow in color. Those 2 are the recommended one for you to plant because the demand for the 2 in Nigeria, not only Nigeria, is very high. So you can plant your white maize or your yellow maize. So we have the baby corn blue maize, we have the dent maize, we have the sweet maize, we have the finite maize. There are different types of maize that you can plant. You can Google it, you can ask about it, and they'll tell you a lot of things. And as you all know, we obtain different products from maize. We use maize for pap, which is ogi that we all know. We use maize for feed meat, for chicken meat, for any type of agricultural animal business that you want to go into. We use maize to make their feed. So maize is very important. In fact, a lot of things, we get a lot of things from maize, like cornflakes, a lot of things like cheese buns. We can use maize for anything. So you need to know concerning maize. Maize is very important. In fact, it's very important all over Nigeria, not only Nigeria, all over the world. Maize is very important. The food we eat, we obtain them from maize. The product, we obtain them from maize. And not only maize, a lot of things too. So you need to know concerning maize. Once again, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Kindly like our videos and share. Bye bye. I love you all.